Hi guys, it's Kelly here. I'm back with another cut cardstock unboxing. This won't be a long video. Again, I'm just going to open this up on camera because Cutcardstock is a company that I really, what's the word? I'm really fond of because they have wonderful product selection, shipping time, and product quality. All right. I've ordered cardstock from other companies before, and they don't come packaged like this, and you get the corners dented. And I don't know about you, but it's important for me to have a good card base because that can make or break a card. You know, you want to have a nice card base for your card. You put all this work and effort into cards, you want the card base not to be dented up and floppy either. So you want a good weight card base. Okay, moving on. I'm going to cut this open. I'm going to pause this for a moment to make sure that my address isn't exposed. So just give me one moment here. Okay, let me see if I can make it a little brighter here. All right, so I just cut open the bubble wrap package. Oh, wow. Wow. I don't know if you can see that, but look at the shimmer on this guy. Oh my goodness. This is the first time I ordered this. This is Stardream metallic cardstock, and it's 105 weight. Ooh. Ooh la la. I've been on the hunt for a burgundy, dark red burgundy, maroon cardstock for the holidays. I really like that color, especially, like, again, for the holidays. So this one is just, whew, that is a beauty. All right, next product. Oh my lordy. Look at that. Oh my God, are you kidding me? That is amazing. This is 126 pound, and it's Stardream. Oh, wow, and it's textured too. Oh my God, that's ridiculous. It's so beautiful. I'm going to open this up, and because it's hard to see with the glare of the packaging. So I'm going to open it and show you each sheet. If you're interested, stick around for that. Oh, and this is Stardream Metallic Pluto. Look at, oh my God. This is, again, also 126. Wow. Whew. These are beautiful. Wow. Now this is a product I've ordered this before, and I'm so psyched about it. And all right, I make a lot of cards with black card bases, right? And every time I do that, I have to put an insert inside because I really don't like to write with white gel pen. At least not for like a sentiment inside a card. And I like to stamp sentiments inside my cards. Not all of them, but many of them. And so in order to do that, I have to put a white insert inside the black card base. Now, Cutcardstock has a new product, and this is it. It's called Classic Crest Duplex Cardstock. Now, it's 120 pounds, which is a nice heft. And it's got your epic black on one side. And check it out. You ready? It's white on the other. So, I mean, technically you could have the black on the inside, but why would you? So what I do is I cut this down here, down the middle. And then I take this and score it. So I have my black card base on the, black outside and the white on the inside. I mean, is that genius or what? And the black is nice and black. It's like a matte black. It's not glossy, it's matte. Let me show you. Hold on one second. I have one here. Okay, here it is. See how it's like it's a super dark black, nice and dark. And it's matte. It's not shiny. It's beautiful. So you can, either way. And then when you open it inside, it's nice, bright white. It's called Solar White, which is a super bright white. I love it. Look at that. And it's nice, see? Look at it. Perfect. And it goes this way. and it doesn't flop down. So it's a nice card weight. All right, so that's this product. Love it. This one is a burgundy. It was a basic, just a burgundy. I believe it's 80 pounds, and it's just basic cardstock. Again, like I said, I was on the hunt for like a burgundy or maroon. Cardstock had it. And here's another one of a different brand, burgundy as well. And this too is 80 pounds. Technically, you can make a card base out of 80 pounds. It's a little flimsy, but if you put an insert inside to stiffen it up, it'll hold. So you can use 80 pounds. It depends also on the 80 pound and what company makes it. So, see, these two are both burgundy, but they're slightly different shades. This one a little bit deeper red. This one's more of a true burgundy. So that's that. So I'm going to pause the video for a second so I can show you these shimmery cardstocks. Oh my God. Oh, I have a cardstock obsession. I love this stuff. Love it. Love it. Okay, hold on. Okay, I opened them off camera just to save time, so you don't have to sit there and watch me open these. All right, now, let's see. I'm going to grab two. Here we go. Oh my God. This is really nice. Thick enough to be a card base, and it can be a card panel, obviously, of course. Look at that. I hope you can see that on camera, but in person it's not too shimmery where it's overpowering. It's got just the right amount of shimmer. This would be great for die cuts, like poinsettias or a Santa hat, or just card panel, card base. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Next one is Iris. This is the textured one. It's a little thicker. Wow, this is very thick actually. Oh wow. Can I say new favorite? Wow, it's going to be hard to beat this guy. This one is, but this, wow. It's textured too, which I'm just, oh, look at that. It's textured and shimmery on both sides. Wow. Oh, God almighty. Oh, love it. And hold on. That's this one. Next is Pluto. And again, this same 126. This one isn't textured like that. This one is smoother. Oh man. All right, still gloating over that one. All right, now this one is beautiful too. This one is, I love the thickness of it. Oh, wow, this is absolutely what a knockout. Look at that paint. Oh my God. All right. I'm sitting there. You guys are probably like, Kelly, all right, come on. Give me a break already. These I didn't open because they're just basic, 80-pound cardstock. So, but I just wanted to show you the specialty cardstock because that's a little harder to see in the packaging. So, wow. All right. So the difference between the two, they're both 126-pound cover, 126-pound cover. This one is like an ivory, and this one is more like a silver. And they both have shimmer. This one has a little bit of a texture to it. This one has a slight texture. Actually, I think they're probably... No, this one definitely has a little bit more of texture to it. I don't know if you can see it. In person, you can tell. I don't know if you can see side by side there. So, yeah, this one's definitely smoother. I love them both. If I had to choose, actually I couldn't. I love them both. Yeah, wow. Look at that. God, they're beautiful. And then this one is just as gorgeous. If you just heard that, that was my cat in the background. I have two cats that do not get along, and they came face to face, and they're meow. Anyway, okay, so look at that guy too. This beautiful. Thank you so much, Cutcardstock, for your magnificent products, your speedy service, and your amazing packaging. I love everything. Thank you so much. Guys, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'm happy to help. If, you know, any of my regular subscribers, if you want a sample, I can send you a, well, I can't send a whole sheet because that's a pain in the butt, but I can send you a panel if you want to check something out. Leave a comment down below. I'm more than happy to help you and answer any questions if you have them. And also, if you leave a comment down below, you're also entered into my random comment giveaway. I have them monthly. I just chose my October winner. I didn't, actually my daughter did. And that's it. So thanks again for stopping by. Stay safe, stay happy, and stay crafty. Bye-bye.